If you're looking for a hardware organization or a hardware storage solution for your home to manage all the extra pieces from projects and the bolts and the screws and everything else that you have laying in a million different places, keep watching, because in this video I'm going to share with you a storage solution that I found recently, which is already starting to make a huge difference, and the best part, it's not crazy expensive. When you finish projects around the house, you're probably left with these little baggies full of extra bits and maybe all these nails, and you don't want to take them out of the container because you're afraid you're going to lose them, and you use that to store them. Or you've got these extra containers that just, no matter what you do, oh my gosh, it actually shut for once and it opened back up. These things are never reliable and they spill all over the place. I inherited this dinosaur from our last house. Don't get me wrong, it does a great job holding everything that's in it, but these drawers come out so easily, they fall all over the place. And the worst part is if I'm doing a project upstairs, I don't want to run up and down stairs every time I need to get a part. I want to carry something that's a little bit more portable. This thing is not portable. So I went to Amazon and did some searches and found a really awesome storage solution made by Tay Tools. This is a portable case that comes in a 10, a 14, and a 17 compartment container. You can buy these separately or in packs of 2 or 4, and they are not crazy expensive. But here's the nicest part about them. Each one of these containers has a nice carry handle built into it, and then the lid is secured by plastic tabs on the front. As you open this up, you see that you have all the different compartments built in, but you can customize these compartments however you want wherever there is a red section. So if I wanted to create a larger section here, I could just remove one of the red pieces. I could move an entire divider out of here as well. They fit really tight, by the way. And I can really organize and move this around however I want it to be in the container. This means that if I want to have a section just for screws, for bolts that are various sizes, if I want to take one of my plastic containers that has nails or staples in it and put that in here, I can resize these however I want them to be in order to hold what's in them. Then if you have all nails in one, all screws in another, you can label these babies. And here's the next best part about them. In the 14 and 17 compartment model, in addition to the tab on the front that secures the lid, there's also tabs on each side that help not only secure the lid, but if you have 2 of the 14s or 2 of the 17s together, you can take that and snap that onto the one that's above it. And now they're both stuck together and they do not let go. I mean, these are wicked tight. With the 10 compartment container, it doesn't have those tabs on the side, and that would be really nice for that reason. However, it does fit nice and snug in the top of the other, so you can stack this and not worry about it sliding all over the place, but it comes off easy. It will not attach to the other. Thanks to the nice form-fit construction when it comes to the grid and how snugly it fits in between each of the squares on the lid, when you load one of these up with all of your hardware, close the lid and snap it and then shake. Nothing is going to leave its compartment. It stays in place, which has always been a complaint of mine with other solutions that I've found, where things will go across the top or underneath each of the dividers. Okay, so let's talk price. At the time of the recording of this video, the 10 compartment option was $15 for one, $24 for 2, or you can get a 4-pack for $50. The 14 compartment option is $17 for one, $27 for 2, and $65 for 4. The 17 compartment option has a little bit of a different pricing to it. One of these is $22. For the 2-pack, you can get it for $35, and for the 4-pack, you can get that for $55. That is an insanely good price when you compare this type of organizer to some of the bigger name products on the market. When you consider the solid construction, the portability, and the reasonable pricing of these storage bins, they are a solid option for any DIYer who's looking to get organized. But maybe it's not just your hardware that you're looking to organize. Maybe you're looking for a storage option for your tools that's also portable. And for more information on a solution that can help you with that, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.